What do I got going on for y'all? Well, the announcement that I actually wanted to start was hey y'all, Anson here from Ivey.forge and Homestead. So, welcome back to the shop. We are actually inside the woodworking shop today. And I actually got a little bit of an announcement. So, we are actually getting somewhat close to 1,000 subscribers. And, it's actually been in the back of my mind for a little bit that on this channel, right, it started off as just strictly blacksmithing stuff. And I really wanted to be able to showcase some different things that I'm interested in, along with, Gladys. She's still getting on board a little bit. She's really busy with schoolwork, and that is her primary focus, not necessarily the YouTube. She does help out with the YouTube stuff. She does support me 100% whenever it comes to the YouTube stuff, but it's not her priority, so therefore she only comes out and helps whenever she can. Alright, so what do I got going on for y'all? Well, the announcement that I actually wanted to start was another channel. Yes, I'm actually going to start another channel, or I have already started another channel. There's not any videos on it currently, but I wanted to do this one a little bit to kind of showcase that channel. So what is it about? So that channel is only going to be strictly woodworking stuff and paracord stuff. That's it. The name of it is Naughty Customs. Alright, KK. So Naughty. Basically what that is going to be about. Obviously woodworking type stuff. Has knots in it, right? And then paracord craft. Okay, so I have this whole big bag. So this is stuff that I used to do a little while back. As part of a worldwide Jeep club that did a lot of paracord handles, right? So this is all stuff that actually goes and wraps around the Jeep bars, and it has these little D loops in it. And then from there, you can choose the different color of handles, whatever you want, right? If you want glow in the dark, you want green, you want pink. Right, I have all kinds of stuff in there. All right, I'm trying to see where I have actual handles made. All right, so those handles I actually have inside. I'll try to throw a picture up right here. That way you guys can see what those look like. But it's basically different types of handles like this. This one's actually more on a stainless steel wire. This one was for an older style Jeep. A guy that wanted one, and then he didn't pay me, so he didn't get them. So there we go. Naughty Customs come to you. I'm going to be doing a lot of the woodworking type stuff there. I'll still post, a few things over here on the Ivey.forge and Homestead whenever it comes to woodworking. Or timber framing or anything like that, especially if it's something that's affecting us on the homestead, which, as you know, right, we're still here living inside city limits. It's an urban homestead until we're able to get our forever homestead. We don't know when that is. So we're making do with what we have here inside city limits, and I'm not gonna really focus on that too much. So a lot of the stuff on this channel is gonna be obviously the blacksmithing stuff, right? Ivey.forge. So whenever it comes to the homesteading stuff, we're still gonna post things. Whenever it comes to the garden, we're still gonna try to do some cooking type stuff and whatnot. But whenever it comes down to doing the woodworking stuff or paracord stuff, knot tying stuff, anything to do like that, I'm going to be posting that onto the other channel, which I will try to throw the link up here. But it is on one of my preferred channels over to the side. You should be able to see that. You can click on it. It has the same emblem as, where's my stickers? All right, so it's going to have the same emblem that I have, but instead of having the AI in the center, it's going to have a KK in the center for Naughty Customs. All right, so in this this new channel is only me. All right, there's no Gladys, no kids, no nobody. It's just Anson coming to you. All right, so go check it out. Hit the subscribe. There's going to be stuff coming, I promise. And we're going to get in there. We're going to do a intro video for that channel. It's going to change up whenever we can get some more content. And then we're going to be building a shaving horse. So go check it out. All right. Oh yeah, and don't forget, hit that bell for notifications. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.